a quick ride along to do the chores with Tim and the babies. Gus, I'm not sure why he's wearing that helmet. His uncle bought it for him the other day, and
safety first.
He loves it. So I'm gonna try to film this video and not edit it at all. Just pause it and start again. Okay, you guys excited to go do chores?
Yeah.
Woohoo! First stop, baby chicks. Gotta move them every day. These are little layers that'll be laying in spring. We hatched them out of our own incubator.
Take the hose.
You need a drink too? Okay. Tim, here's the water.
I'd like to move it this way. Can you help me?
Yep, I can help you. Gus, put the gas can back on. You're not allowed to take that off. Filling up the big red tank for the sheep. Duck pond that waters my garden, gives it tons of nitrates.
What is the orange tomato?
A tomato patch that did not do well, but it's got a lot of green ones in it.
On the back sheep off the bottom.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going, Tim?
We're going to jail.
We're not going to jail. Where are we going?
We're going to the pigs.
Okay, here we go.
Going to the sheep.
That sounds nice, Gus.
Come here, pig. Come here, pigs.
Moving the hot wire so that the cows have more to graze. We do this every day. Even though it's not very green, the cows will be much happier with that than this. We already grazed that. And let them over here.
Mama loves you.
That's not a good place to read a book.
And Mama loves you. And Mama loves you. Amen.
Say,
I got up that way.
how are you gonna get down?
I think. Mom, can you catch me?
Yeah, I'll catch you. This is unfortunate. Free-range chicken yard. Okay, next we have a little pen of rams that need to be moved. Not very much longer, and then we'll put these in with the sheep. But then we'll have them all together. So right now we're moving two separate, a little pen, and then we're moving a really big pen every day. Again, going from this to this. Much taller grass. Anyone looking for a relationship building exercise? You should move cattle or sheep every day with your husband. Right, babe?
Yep, you got it.
Relationship strengthening.
Yes, ma'am.
Already grazed. New pasture. Make it hot. Let's go. It's October. We had a watermelon patch this year. Sold hundreds of them, but it's end of season. These are mostly still good, but market has slowed down, so chickens are getting their sugar in. Here's something fun that we do sometimes. We'll see if you can see me. Let's go pick up Daddy. Where's Daddy?
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Yell at me as soon as it's not hot, and then I'll start. Hi, guys. Are you guys ready for some new grass? You ready for some new grass? Whoopsie, didn't mean to record. Making Tim set up a tripod so that you can watch this new fence. Perfect, I'll set the phone on there. I'm dragging a stick here. Here you go. Got it?
Yep.
Okay, drop the top side. Whoopsie. Connecting a new fence to this fence, like so, and like so. Moving on. Back by the kid. Hello, ladies. Tim, you want to tell the story about what happened here?
Well, there was an accident with the Can-Am wheel.
Happy sheep. Happy dog. Baboon.
That's done.
Oh, you're picking bouquets.
Is that for Marlo?
This is for Marlo.
Hop in the...
That's from Marla. Cool, because Marla didn't get come.
Come on, dude.
You want to get out? You want to grab him so I can hold him? Gabby, show me what's in there.
Hey, there's done.
That's Daddy's saddle.
Oh my goodness, you got lots of flowers.
Lots of flowers. Very cool.
Guys, you're showing that for those flowers.
Thank you for picking those for us. What you got in your scoop? Stuffies.
Hold on, children.
They're going to need to go in the washer before you sleep with them. What'd you say, Gus?
You can put it in four-wheel drive and then we can go back down.
Yeah, we should have, but we'll just take the path. We'll take the cleared path instead of putting in four-wheel drive. Right. This is the piggy's pen. They're kept in with a tiny little hot wire that's just about a foot off the ground. We get to move them around when their grass starts looking like that.
They're all sleeping. They hit a stump. Let's run for the gas. Huh? Gosh, dig that.
White linen pants may not have been the best move for today, but that's okay. got your bucket. Are we all done?
Hold on.
That's all for today's chores. Say bye.